how much there is cost to invest in an automatic motorbike wash. If you are planning to open a motorbike wash and are looking for a modern and labor-saving solution, you will definitely be interested in investing in an automatic motorbike wash. You might have heard about automatic motorbike wash station models that are very popular abroad. And Go&Go believes that if you are thinking of doing business in this field, the first question is always, how much is the investment cost? What do you need to prepare? Is this really a worldwide investment? Let's Go&Go have you answer the above question. Investing in an automatic motorbike wash is not simply buying a machine. When it comes to investment costs, many of you often think simply about the price of the machine. But in reality, to operate a professional automatic motorbike wash station, you will need to prepare much more than that. Such as premises costs. You need a location with high traffic volume, near residential areas, commercial center, or major road. Spacious premises with enough space for waiting motorbike, bike washes, and bike living will bring a comfortable experience to customers. Infrastructure installation costs, standard water supply and drainage system, stable electrical system, 220 volt or 380 volt depending on the machine, design of coverage area, waiting area, install a water-resistant floor with a fast drainage loop. Machinery and equipment costs of the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash system. Initial operating costs. The operating machine capacity can wash more than 100 bikes per day, but electricity, water, chemical are only 3 cents per pint. Human resources costs, if any, marketing costs for opening, banner, Facebook ads, flyers, organizing promotion, and a contingency cost to handle unplanned events such as combining other business models such as coffee or changes. The quality of machinery and equipment will affect the cost. In the current market, there are many types of automatic bike wash machines, from fully imported to domestically produced. Some brands produce machines specifically for the climate conditions and usage habits in that country. Go&Go understands the wishes of customers to produce a machine like suitable for muddy roads in Southeast Asia. A good machine not only ensures cleanliness after it's washed, but also has a long-term warranty and maintenance policy. If you choose a cheap machine without checking carefully, it's easy to encounter a situation where the machine quickly deteriorates, repair costs pile up, and even affect the reputation of your bike workshop. On the contrary, a high machine might initially cost you a little more, but in return, you will have a peace of mind in operating steadily for many years and long-term investment. Calculating the payback period. An important factor when investing in an automatic bike wash is that you need to calculate the expected payback period. An automatic bike wash station can achieve a payback period quickly or slowly, depending on whether the business location had a lot of traffic or not. Thus, the initial marketing strategy attracts customers. At the service price, you offer competitive and reasonable for the area. The ability to exploit additional value-added services such as interior cleaning, nano coating, helmet washing, oil change. If your shop is located in a convenient location and know how to exploit additional value-added service, the payback period will be faster, from just a few months to more than a year. This is why choosing the right machine, the right model, and the right location is so important. The long-term benefits that Go&Go bring to you when investing in modern machinery will have you save labor. A standard automatic bike wash can be operated by only 1 to 2 employees, mainly to support customers in, out, and cashier. Because the machine had a counter for the number of motorbike washes each day, it makes managing employees easier. You also don't have to worry about training, sudden leave, or skill difference. The machine is easy to use with just one button. Save time for customers. A bike wash only takes 5 minutes depending on the type of bike and machine, helping you serve more customers every day. Modern customer appreciate speed and convenience. This is a huge competitive advantage. Consistent quality. No more sometimes clean, sometimes not clean. Like manual washing, the machine operates according to an automatic process, ensuring the same level of cleanliness each time the buyer washes. Increased professionalism. A modern clean shop with professional process will always make a strong impression on customer. Easy to replicate. After being successful with the first station, you can expand to many other locations, making it easier to model your business. Investing in automatic buy wash is a big step forward, not only in business, but also in the way you build your own personal brand. If you are really serious about this opportunity, then don't just ask, how much does the machine cost? Instead, ask, what is the business model to optimize profits? Don't hesitate because of the initial investment. Look further into the steady income you will have in the future. And don't wait the market to be saturated before you buy it. Get to work. Be the first pioneer in the area to take advantage of investing in a modern local model. If you are interested in machinery and need more information on the type of automatic buy wash machines suitable for your premise, operating strategies, or automatic buy wash station, combined model help increase revenue of your store. Please contact Go&Go for advice and experience the actual machinery right at the factory.